Revenue on Instagram and profit in the bank rarely match, usually because rent, power, and seed costs never made it into the same spreadsheet as sales. Finances is at plantmood.farm. Lightweight farm bookkeeping with a summary dashboard, sales log, and expense tracker. This is where you answer the question, are we actually making money? The page has three tabs, summary, sales, and expenses. The summary tab shows charts, margin breakdown, and batch cost of goods integration, revenue versus expenses over your selected period. This is your weekly review screen. The Sales tab shows a table with date, linked batch, channel, quantity in grams, revenue, seed cost as cost of goods, and edit and delete actions. Adding a sale opens a modal, pick a harvested batch from a dropdown, enter the sold date, channel, farmer's market, restaurant, shop, or others, quantity in grams, price per 100 grams, currency, and notes. Total revenue calculates automatically. The Expenses tab shows date, category, description, a recurring badge where applicable, amount, and edit and delete actions. Adding an expense asks for category, electricity, water, rent, equipment, seeds, nutrients, labor, or other, amount, date, an optional batch link, and notes. Enable recurring with a frequency and start and end dates for costs like rent, power, and subscriptions that you pay every month whether you harvest or not. When you fulfill an order in the manager, it prompts you to record the matching sale here. And when you are thinking about changing your pricing or adding racks, compare your real numbers against the free profit calculator. Reality should inform the model, not the other way around. A weekly 10-minute habit here beats a panic at tax time. Find it under Manager, then Finances.